Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, pick up on yourself. You don't know, up. So to all the guys on my channel right now who started a new hair journey, I just want to say that growing your hair and getting it to this length right here is just a tip of the iceberg. When you get to this stage with a head full of hair like this, boy, I've got news for you. It is not an easy road. It's not an easy road. Some say the glamour and the glitter and then think a better road. Wait. Let's not start with the singing right now. Big up yourself, put your band on it, don't know, up. Anyways, there's nothing to worry about because I will be here to help you guys through your hair journey or any nightmares you might have about your hair. So it took me an entire 2 hours to detangle this afro right here. At first, I didn't believe that his hair was this long. Like, wow, even him himself was shocked at how long his hair is. So my first advice to you guys is please do not use your fingers to take your braids out and then just jump in the shower and wash your hair. No. Especially if your braids are like 3 months old. No. Please, as soon as you take one braid out, make sure you comb that out before taking another braid out. And I will show you guys how to do that in another video. But for now, this is an amazing hairstyle that you can rock for the summer. Whether your hair is long or short, it will look good either way. So I always have this method of sectioning out the hair accordingly before starting my braids. This is a really good method to use if you want to achieve a good balanced hairstyle where both sides look almost perfectly equal. So I'm just doing some box braids in the section at the back and I am plaiting them under so that the plaits lie down with a nice flick going under. Some people like to overhand, but I find that with smaller plaits like these, it stays much neater for longer when you plait them under. And I'm basically just layering each row between the plaits that I did in the previous row so that there aren't any gaps. So now for the cornrows, I'm just creating a very simple maze on this side, and I'm gonna try to do the same on the other side so that both sides look equal in a way, because some people don't like turning their heads to one side and it look like something, and then they turn their head to the other side and it looks like something else, like it's different. So this is my method of achieving something similarly identical on both sides. So now I'm on the top and I'm gonna do something similar, but it won't look the same as the sides. Obviously the sides of any head is always a different shape to the center. Anyways, so looking from the front, I try to make it similar while creating a kind of maze in at the top right here. And I can tell it's looking great because my client can't stop looking in his phone and snapping pictures. I'm happy that he's happy. So if you guys like the hairstyle, please comment down below. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to see more hairstyles like this, and to also stay updated with this channel. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and finally, click the subscribe button. Thank you.